Hello, my name is Franco Carlesimo, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips and tricks that I use in my daily workflow. Hope you enjoy it. This is something I've been working on, and I want to show you guys how I've been doing some of this texture around here. You can do it many ways, obviously, but one way that I've been doing, see here you have the standard brush. We can go around here and start doing something like that, and moving my hand in a way that's going to give me that unevenness. But a faster way of doing this is going to the brush, to the stroke, and here you have one way of doing this is going to the stroke, and here you have an option about stroke jittering. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So what we can do, what this does is going to give some motion, as you can see here, some unevenness to the strokes. So let me show you. Let's crank this up so you can really see what is going on. There we go. So I found this a faster way of doing this kind of texturing, and my hand gets less tired for sure, because my strokes are just linear, but the result is much more texturized. That is one thing. Hope it helps. Now, one thing is that remember that this applies to all the brushes that you're using, so once you are done, just turn it off again. And here I have another thing that I do a lot. Let's say this is going to leave some goo around this beautiful bell. So let's just create some geometry, extract, accept. Now we have some geo here. I'm going to straight away create into Dynamesh. See, and now I want this to follow along the surface of the belt. Now I can do this like doing this and turning around, and it's going to take me a lot of time. Instead of doing that, what I do is I use the SnakeHook brush, and if I hold Alt before pressing the cursor on the surface, it's going to, as you can see, is going to follow the surface that is placed above. Now, if we do it like this, it's going to break every time. So the best way of doing this, instead of going and dragging every time to convert this into Dynamesh, is just using the sculptress mode. So that is going to be much easier, to generate polygons, and going to allow me to go, and it's going to definitely give me a better result. I want to show you guys a little bit. I might speed this up. So remember, just holding Alt. See how it's following the surface. Just dragging outside to give me more polygons. Now this is definitely going to take time, but it's not going to take as much time as if we do it in a different way. And the good thing is that if this will be for 3D printing, this is already fully in contact. It's super easy to manipulate.
Okay, that was it for this one. Hope you enjoy and happy ZBrushing.